DIMP Zizzle.
Hey, isa ka sa mga best friend kong matalik. Kasama ka palagi sa mga gimmick all day. Hey, one day biglang nag-text ka sa'kin at sinabi mong you needed a friend. Sabay bumana ka, kwento mo buhay mong telenovela. At biglang humirit pa, pwede ba pare pa utang muna? I get that. And then bigla kang lumipat. So pare, please remember yung utang mo nung September. Sabi mo you can't afford kahit shampoo, Head and Shoulders.